All right, let's get hands-on with troubleshooting your PlayStation Portal. We'll start with the most common and easiest fix, a power cycle. This simple step forces a hard restart and can resolve many software freezes. Just press and hold the power button down for a full 30 seconds. Next, ensure your portal is actually charging. Use the original cable and a wall adapter. It's crucial to let it charge for at least an hour, even if you don't immediately see a charging indicator. Deeply discharged batteries need time to respond. If neither a power cycle nor extended charging resolves the issue, consider that you might have a faulty USB-C port. This is especially true if there's physical damage or it won't charge at all, even with known good cables and adapters. If you've tried these basic steps and still have a black screen, it's likely a deeper hardware issue. In that case, it's time to contact Sony support for warranty service, as attempting repairs yourself isn't recommended due to the portal's compact design. Also, remember to keep your portal up to date on firmware. Regular updates help reduce the chances of software-related failures and improve overall stability. The key takeaway is to approach troubleshooting systematically. Try the simple fixes first and don't hesitate to utilize your warranty if it turns out to be a hardware problem. You got this.